here at our 5th installment of the AJ Perri Cares program, and we've been working in conjunction with some local radio stations. And we're at Mr. Vasilevich's house today, and we're replacing his AC equipment. We're installing some Carrier performance grade equipment. We're installing a Nest thermostat with an air handler and a condenser.
I'm Traci, I'm Mickey's daughter, and I listen to 107.1 The Boss all day long at work. So when I got to work one morning, I went on my computer and I saw that there was a contest for veterans. I signed them up.
I was in the Navy. I was a jet mechanic. It was amazing. You go in, you're 18 years old, and 9 months later, you're at a boot camp and you're in a squadron, and you're actually working on airplanes. You always, think back to your military time. I don't care what branch of service you're in. It's very rewarding.
It's very important to me every time I get to do one of these AJ Perri Cares programs, because we get to give back to the veterans that gave so much to us. The sacrifices that the veterans made for our country is uncomparable.
It makes me happy to help out somebody in need, specifically a veteran. It always makes me feel good to put a smile on my customers' faces. Any
veteran who entered the contest, I'm sure it just made them feel good that AJ Perri, a company, was doing this for them, was recognizing veterans. I was one of 3 finalists, and I would still like to meet, or at least talk to, the other fellows, the other 2 veterans that were in the contest. I really would. AJ Perri has been our go-to since we got here.
He was a customer of ours prior, which is a great thing. A member of the fire department, so a man like this who has given his service to his country, his town, once again, it's just an immense honor to be able to perform this service for him.
I know that everybody at AJ Perri feels special about our veterans. This is how we give back. We have the ability to give back to our veterans by coming here and doing this for this family here today.